Ethical considerations. Consent as the core principle. Cannibalism could be legalized in cases where it involves explicit, informed, and voluntary consent. For example, individuals could choose to donate their bodies for consumption after death, similar to organ donation or donating one's body to science. Consent respects bodily autonomy, a fundamental principle in liberal ethics. No harm to the living. If the practice is limited to those who are already deceased and who have explicitly agreed to be consumed, it does not directly harm anyone. This could challenge the moral argument against it. Sustainability and resource use. Alternative food source. In extreme cases of food scarcity or environmental collapse, cannibalism could provide a pragmatic solution. Rather than wasting human bodies, they could be utilized as a source of nutrition, reducing waste and resource strain. Addressing overpopulation and waste. Modern societies already struggle with funeral costs, land use for cemeteries, and the environmental impact of cremation. Controlled cannibalism could provide an alternative to traditional body disposal methods, reducing ecological impact. Precedent in extreme circumstances. History has demonstrated that cannibalism often occurs in situations of extreme need, such as shipwrecks, famines, or plane crashes. Legalizing it under tightly controlled circumstances could save lives and reduce legal uncertainties for survivors. Cultural relativity. Many cultures have practiced cannibalism historically and viewed it as a sacred or meaningful act. Dismissing cannibalism outright as wrong imposes a culturally biased viewpoint. Legalizing certain forms of cannibalism could honor these traditions while ensuring they are practiced safely and ethically. Medical and scientific research. Advancements in science studying cannibalism in a controlled and legal framework could provide insights into human physiology, prion diseases, such as kuru, and nutrition. Consuming certain human tissues could be part of medical research or experimentation, akin to how donated cadavers are used for medical training. Freedom of choice. Personal liberties. In a liberal society, individuals should have the right to decide what they consume, provided it does not harm others. Legalizing cannibalism under regulated conditions respects individual freedom without imposing arbitrary moral judgments. Counterarguments and solutions. Cannibalism carries the risk of transmitting diseases like prion disorders. Legal frameworks could mandate health screenings and safety protocols to mitigate this risk. Many people find cannibalism morally abhorrent. Legalizing it for consenting individuals or in specific scenarios ensures it remains a private choice rather than a societal norm. Legal frameworks could limit cannibalism to niche, consenting practices to avoid cultural backlash or societal disruption. Legalizing cannibalism would require addressing moral, legal, and health concerns, but under strict regulation, it could respect personal freedom, reduce waste, and honor cultural diversity. The practice could remain rare and exceptional, with clear guidelines ensuring it is ethical, consensual, and safe. While likely to remain controversial, exploring such legalization pushes the boundaries of societal norms and individual autonomy.